Okay, so there's part 2 to this video. I suppose about 15 minutes has elapsed in between the first filming, and there are gaps in the cloud. You can see them, they're kind of dark, and these lights remain looking very different to the gaps in the clouds. So what's going on? Is it somebody with a laser? So we do get a festival of lights where they do shoot up lasers into the sky, and you get a similar effect, but usually they're moving around, you know, they're more it's more of an interesting thing going on, not just a kind of seemingly random cluster of light. So what is it? So again, it does look like gaps in the cloud. That's what I would still say it looks like. But it's interesting how it persists and how it's different to other gaps in the cloud. I'm not sure I can kind of show you. Just there, I guess you can see darker patches which look like gaps in the cloud. Maybe they're not, maybe that's thicker cloud. And if we look over here, again, you can't really see much. It's not really a night camera, is it? It looks odd. Very interesting. I will keep you posted if I remember to come out and have a look again. I may get distracted onto other things, knowing me. But I'll probably pop out a bit later and just see what's going on. Give you an update. So, strange skies. Yeah, stay tuned.